Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your plants even more up than they were before in the latest Plants vs. Brainrots Corrupted Plant Pantry update. So basically, you already have like one mutated plants, and it is the, like, for instance, frozen mango. But you don't have another like mutated plant to mutate it with. So you are going to mutate another mango, and as you can see, this is the damage for a frozen mango. And here is the damage per second for the other corrupted mango. Okay. You're just going to place it in the mutation like machine, and you're going to then mix it, and it's going to create a super op plant that you'll have in your garden. I'll be right back when it's done mutating, and I'll show you guys the total damage per second on it. And here is my corrupted and frozen mango. It is at 114,000 damage per second DPS. So yeah, this update is very helpful if you already have, for instance, like the Shrimbino is gold and I want to mutate it with another Shrimbino. I don't have a different mutation. You can just corrupt your plants and mutate that. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!